welcome to part 2 of A School Still a Win, guys. If you have not watched part 1, I would highly recommend you do so, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Go ahead and leave a comment of your favorite parts of this video. Pure laughter, pure fun, that's what's going on in this video. And the children, they were doing it so that they can win a backpack, because the backpacks, they were limited, so I had to think of creative ways for them to win a backpack. And also, you can go ahead and follow A School Still a Win on Instagram. There you will see the pictures from the Funday, all the interesting things that happened. You can go ahead and keep up with them there. And don't forget, I am going to have A School Still a Win again in 2020, so just stay tuned. We'll keep you guys updated, and just thank you for the support and the love thus far. And if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hey!
No run left it here this year. Oh, now move so slow.
Sit up, man. Get a chair, some more space. Sit down,
Please, what are that here? Where?
When it's so close to each chair, then.
The chair them thief. Set. Go. Come back up, stop yourself. Come back up. Take it back.
Hurry up, step up.
Go.
Jump. All right, on your mark, get set, go! Wow, the team! Look what she did. Get set, go!
Yeah!
Get set, go! On your mark, get You have done it, done it. If you start one thing, you have done it. Oi, 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 move.
Yes, Jada. Kalam Jada. Yes, Jada. One more.
One more, no, Jada. No, no, no.
Rabbit can't eat them two there for the table. Two chicks there.
Yeah.
Alright, on the way. On the back up, back up look a bit. Alright, everybody that is still there. Stop keep. No. Alright, everybody watching. Watch our restaurant, please.
He lose long time.
Put it down.
Ready? On your mark.
Wait there, man.
Go!
Hurry up, no Rasta.
Oh, shit, do you want to
I'm gonna call some birds' name, and you tell me which one of them cannot fly. A crane, a peacock, a owl, or a ostrich. Ostrich. You're not doing it.
Hello, stop what you're doing. If you're listening to this, go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment if you feel like. And don't forget to subscribe. But if you have noticed, we have reached the educational segment of Us Goes to Win. The problem that I encountered this year was that they did not want to play the educational games. And I could not figure out why, because they were into it last year. Then it dawned on me. We gave away all the prizes they won it by playing the other games. So they were not into anything educational at this point. But we're going to switch it up for next year. So just stay tuned. We're about to hit the segment where I'm handing out the school supplies and saying my farewells. But go ahead and hit that like button. Okay. I want you to understand that you don't have to migrate to become somebody. You can compete and have an opportunity here in Jamaica. What time you have to come out next year? 12 o'clock.
Well, them this shit.
Smile, baby.
Smile, baby.
Show, take a picture.
Anybody have a phone to take picture with it?
Yeah.
Somebody can take picture?
Jesus Christ.
Take a picture of them. Why this shit that smell like bright, man?
All right.